I'm American. I have been in Spain as a student for all of 2021. Will I need to file any tax paperwork? I'm now a trainee as part of a student program, and I'll be earning less than the minimum wage in Spain. Will I need to pay anything to the US? So I can respond. I'll respond to the US side first, probably, because
Okay.
that's super easy. So of course, as someone who's US exposed, you're a US citizen, so you'll need to declare and pay taxes on your worldwide income regardless of where you go. We don't know how much you've earned, and we don't know your status from a US tax perspective. In terms of filing thresholds, if you're married, and let's say you're married to someone who is Spanish and not American, so you would typically file as married, filing separately. The threshold for filing is $5. So if you made more than $5 for the year, then yes, a tax return would be due. If it is that you are filing separately, so you're not married, then it would the threshold would be the standard deduction, which should be around 12 grand. So if you made more than 12,000 US, then a tax return is due. So even though taxes may not be payable, because of course the tax rate in Spain are much higher, a tax return is still due. And just like how Ricky got into the Form 720, which is like an asset declaration, the US has a kind of rough equivalent called an FBAR, or Foreign Bank Account Report. FinCEN 114 is the name of the form. So if it is that you had bank balances in Spain or elsewhere outside of the US above a certain threshold, all of your bank accounts need to be declared as well. So there's an asset declaration part as well as an income tax filing part. So that's it from the US side. Ricky?
So I mean, basically for the Spanish side, well, of course, if you become Spanish, well, for sure you'll be a Spanish tax resident in 2021. We would have to check if you would have to file the Form 720 for becoming Spanish tax resident in 2021. I mean, from what he's mentioning, I don't think we will have to file the 720. I mean, we just need to know if he has any assets above 50,000 euros. And also regarding the income tax, it would depend based on the incomes that he receives. Because if he receives really low incomes, maybe he doesn't really need to file income tax here in Spain. But of course, we would need to know like the exact incomes and the exact numbers. That would be.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming events are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.